Hello everyone, good day, good morning or good midday. My name is Zoibu, your favorite mixed media artist from the Netherlands, and today it's another episode of Zoibu's Sketchbook. I want to show you this new pen that I got. Let me get it out. Here you go. This is a Finch Stationery pen. Very cheap. And I just want to show you what it looks like. I haven't inked it yet. It comes with a normal iridium point nib. This is an F nib. And we will just put a standard cartridge. Oh! Or don't. You don't have to put a standard cartridge in here because it comes with a converter. So that's very easy to use. Alright. I will fill it with some ink and then I will do a little ink sample. Or not an ink sample, a swatching sample. Okay, let's go. After a bit of searching, I figured out I will put the Gui Zu ink in there. Since I got this from the Dutch pen show when I did a workshop. So I got a very tiny bottle of it. And I thought this is a nice bottle to use. So let's fill it up, shall we? What is nice with a converter, you can also get it out, but you can also just leave it into the pen and then use the twisting mechanism to get it in there. Oh, little dust bunny. Open it up, dip into the pen. You can also get a little bit more, get a little bit higher, and then fill it. But this way you can basically get all the air out and then get a little bit of the ink. There you go. You can see it's a little bit filled. I'm not going to fill it the whole way. You can see it has now been saturated with ink, like it's all around there. Getting a paper towel to get some of it off. And this is also nice since the feet, that's this part, and the nib will all be saturated, so this will be easy to use. As you can see, you can kind of figure out a way where you want the pattern to be. I'm always very bad at lining it up perfectly, so you just have to do with what I've done here. Okay, I got my little booklet here. This is also MD paper, and I will use this one specifically for writing samples. I also have this one. This one is specifically for currently inked. And I use these for swatching other inks or like a collection of pens that I use. So this is all the same paper. I also use different kinds of paper, but I feel like this would give you quite a nice view of the color. So let me just show this to you. Put the ink there. Little buddies. Maybe this one here. Or not. Okay. So let me do, this is my first time writing with it, so I'm really intrigued to see. Oh, this is better than I thought. Oops. I must say I didn't have very high expectations because when I saw the pictures online, they didn't really look like this specific pen, but it writes well. This is just me. I'm left-handed, guys. This is just what you're gonna get. As you can see, it does dry down quite quickly, but I'm just not as quick. This writes. Let me get an angle so you can see a little bit more how I write. Let me check if it will get more in focus. I think this is the best we're gonna get. Let me check. It was originally Do you write it with 2 L's? I don't know. Maybe. It was originally 14,19 when it was originally 1419. Yes. First impression is that it's a light pen. That would work nicely for a bunch of people. Left-handed, that I need to write a bit more slowly since I do smudge quite quickly, but this works well. Let me do swirls. Ink used Shanghai Stationery with Gui Zu. There we go. Yeah. Converter does its job, I think verdict will be great then for the price. I think I like it. I think this is a good pen to take with you to work or do whatever with. I think it's very fun. Yeah, it's nice. I like the ink flow. This one a little bit difficult, but you can see your face at least, so that's nice. Maybe I need to make something different there. I don't know. Maybe a little shrimp cat. With his little shrimpy tail. There he is, little shrimp. Yeah. I like it. I think it's a lot of fun to use. I'll do a little bit more writing with it, but for what it is. There we go. Maybe she's smelling a flower or something. I don't know. A little bit more struggle with that part. yeah, very nice. My final verdict is what I wrote down here as well. Great pen for the price, fun to use, very smooth, as you noticed. This was the Finsh Stationery A108, and this was a fine nib. What I wrote right before, I got it for a little bit less than €10, so I think this is great for what it is. I do like it with the combination of the Shanghai Stationery ink. Yeah, I would say if you find it, or if you find it and you like it, please check it out. Yeah, and order yourself. Of course, this has just a normal iridium point nib. If you don't really mind how a nib look, I feel like this is a great little fun pen. And I'm pleasantly surprised. I actually like it better than I expected. So, I hope you like the little writing sample. Yeah, the pen itself, and just how it behaved. And my little doodles there at the end. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching today. I see you all next time. I hope you enjoyed it. This was me, another page in my sketchbook, Zoibu sketchbook, and I'll see you later. Bye! If you watched still so far, please do what do we do? A disco ball in the description or in your comment if you leave one. Please check out the other videos as well, and I will see you later. Okay, bye! 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 Bye 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 bye.